Alright, time to see if I can get a ceiling fan up here in the living room. It's gonna be the socket fan I had in my bedroom when I was in Brookside, so let's just give that a try. Step one is gonna be to take this down. There's step two. I get the socket that I will have to put up on the ceiling. I'm gonna hope I get the positioning correct on this. I want it to be as centered as possible. Here, perhaps. Alright, a very delicate process is going to be getting the holes positioned. I think I can only do one at a time. Alright, I assume nails will probably do for now. Let's get the other one. Make sure I position this exactly correctly. If nails aren't going to be good enough, at least I will have holes in the right places in the ceiling. So go in straight. Right. It's already warm in here. Alright. Alright, a quick little weight test. don't know if the nails will hold this, so they may. I think they probably will. I gotta get them the rest of the way in though. And that means I'm gonna need a tiny head. Where the heck do I get one of those? Yeah, the issue I have right now is I can't get this all the way. And there's gonna be a gap. I don't want that. I want that to be all the way up. Yeah, this is why you need screws for this, I guess. I won't be able to get flush to the ceiling in this way. And I really need it to be flush to the ceiling. I suppose I will have to try with the screws. Well, a little update. Let me re-angle the camera just a bit. I took the nails down. Right. I might need to, yeah. Okay, there we go. If I zoom in up there, I've got the screws in, and they actually can just drive right into the ceiling, which is nice. Now I gotta put the socket up, which means I'll have to take the screws out and line up the socket. So let's quickly remove these. This worked out pretty well. Whatever sounds you might be hearing from outside, it's windy today. Let me get this socket up here and one screw to go with it. And the screw will just go right in. pretty flush mounted the ceiling. And that is super secure. Alright. The next step is to assemble the fan. So the fan assembly means I gotta put all the blades on the fan and then I can put the fan up in the socket. So I'm going to quickly put the fan's blades on it. All of the blades here, and then this is the actual fan. The blades have a design where they just, you push the thing like this, and they snap in. Right. There's 3. Right. Alright, 4. And the last one right here. 5. Now all the blades are inserted into the fan. And it's time to put the fan up. The fan will now go up into the socket. Okay, the fan is up. Installation isn't quite complete though. I have to give it power by plugging it into a power source, and I haven't quite figured out where I should run the cord, so I'm going to figure that out real quick. And that's what I did. I don't know what's this. Just ran it along the wall and the ceiling, and I kept it out of the way of the window, so this should be good. And the fan is working, so thank you for watching.